One of the hobbies I wanted to pick up was knitting and crocheting. And I don't know about you guys, but I love the look and the feel of like the chunky soft blankets. So I ended up getting this dark green, which is a beautiful color. I'm obsessed with green if you can't tell. But I ended up getting this chunky yarn. It is a massive pack. I don't know if you can see that with the lighting. There's what, 8 in here? And each one is 27 yards. So I feel like it's such a good deal because you can get it in bulk, and then that way you can make a massive blanket with it. The brand had actually sent it to me. I'm super excited to try something new. I wanted something that was good quality though, because for a blanket you want it nice and soft. You don't want it to like fall apart and have like all those pulls on it. So this one is so good. There's no like fuzzy leftovers behind. I checked a bunch of them. It does come vacuum sealed, so make sure to let it fluff up for a day or two. But even when it's like shrink down, you can tell how fluffy and comfortable it's gonna be. So look at all of these, literally 8 of them, 27 yards each. I think it ends up being like 8 ounces or something each. So amazing. I'm so excited, and it already is so soft. I'm so pumped.